Can you say S? Just like S? What sound does S make? S. That's right. S. What should we do next? Good job. Here. You want to do D? What sound does D make? D. Can you say D? D. Good job.